Step into a world where tiny hooves and miniature legs create a symphony of discovery. This delightful adventure reveals the unexpected friendships and funny interactions between farm animals and insects as they explore their shared environment. Watch as curious chickens scratch alongside busy ants, or see how a duckling's waddle sends ripples through a puddle where water striders skate. Every footprint, flutter, and wiggle tells a story of creatures big and small, learning from one another in nature's playground. Tigers are the largest big cats in the world, with males of the Siberian tiger species reaching lengths of up to 10 feet 3 meters from head to tail and weighing over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms. Dogs have been companions to humans for over 15,000 years, originally domesticated from wolves, and have served various roles such as hunters, protectors, and companions. A dog's hearing is far better than a human's. They can hear sounds in the range of 40 Hz to 60 kHz. Ants are incredibly strong. They can carry 10 to 50 times their body weight, making them some of the strongest creatures relative to their size. Ants communicate using chemicals called pheromones, which help them find food, mark trails, and signal danger to the rest of the colony. White tigers are not a separate species. They are simply Bengal tigers with a genetic mutation. All white tigers are Bengal tigers, but not all Bengal tigers are white. White tigers have blue eyes, which is another feature that distinguishes them from regular Bengal tigers. Rhino horns are made of keratin, the same substance found in human hair and nails. Despite common myths, the horn has no medicinal value, yet rhinos are often poached for it. Rhinos are mostly solitary animals, except for mothers with calves. Polar bears have large paws, which help them distribute their weight on the ice and act like snowshoes. Their paws are also covered in fur to prevent slipping on icy surfaces. Polar bear cubs are born very small. At birth, they weigh only about 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms, and they are blind and helpless. Sheep are social animals that live in flocks and form strong bonds with each other. They often become stressed or anxious when separated from their group. Sheep produce wool, a natural fiber that keeps them warm and is used by humans for clothing. Ladybugs are beneficial insects, known for being natural pest controllers. They feed on aphids, scale insects, and other pests that damage plants. Ladybugs can have different colors and patterns, including red, yellow, orange, or black. Some have spots, while others may not have any. Reindeer are excellent migrators. They are known for their incredible long-distance migrations. Some herds travel over 2,000 miles, 200 kilometers every year, the longest migration of any land mammal. Reindeer are social animals. Rhino beetles are incredibly strong. They can carry up to 850 times their body weight, which is like a human lifting a car. Rhino beetles are herbivores, feeding on rotting wood, tree sap, and fruits. Their larvae feed on decaying wood as well. Rhino beetles are great flyers, using their large, hard wings to fly short distances to find mates. Camels have humps that store fat, not water. Contrary to popular belief, their humps hold fat reserves that they can convert into energy and water when food is scarce. Camels can survive for weeks without water. They can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Scorpions are arachnids, meaning they are related to spiders, with 8 legs, 2 pincers, chile, and a tail that ends in a venomous stinger. Scorpions are nocturnal, primarily hunting at night. They use their pincers to catch Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. The African elephant is the largest species, with males weighing up to 14,000 pounds, 16,350 kilograms, and standing up to 13 feet, 4 meters tall at the shoulder. Elephants have long trunks. Honeybee lives in colonies that can have up to 60,000 bees, including 1 queen, many workers, and drones. Honeybee populations are declining, mainly due to pesticide use, habitat loss, and diseases like varroa mites. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years, originally in North Africa, and have played a vital role in transport and farming. Donkeys are extremely intelligent and cautious, often mistaken as stubborn. Pumas have more names than any other animal, over 40 in English alone, including cougar, mountain lion, catamount, and panther. Unlike big cats, lions, tigers, pumas purr but cannot roar. Grasshoppers are amazing jumpers. They can leap 20 times their body length thanks to their strong hind legs. Grasshoppers have ears on their bellies, specifically on the sides of the first abdominal segment, called tympana, which detect sounds. Grasshoppers are herbivores. Bulls are adult male cattle, typically referred to as bulls when they have not been castrated. The females are called cows, and the young are calves. Bulls are known for their strength, often used for breeding purposes in herds. Stag beetles get their name from the large, antler-like jaws, mandibles of the males, which they use to fight other males for territory or mates. Stag beetles are among the largest beetles in Europe, with males sometimes reaching up to 8 centimeters, 3 inches in length. Green iguanas are native to Central and South America, specifically from southern Mexico to parts of Brazil. But they can now be found in many other tropical regions due to pet trade releases. Green iguanas are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 30 minutes underwater, which helps them escape predators. Snakes are legless reptiles, belonging to the suborder serpents. They evolved from lizard-like ancestors that lost their legs over millions of years. Snakes use their tongues to smell. Their forked tongue picks up chemicals in the air and brings them to the Jacobson's organ in the roof of their mouth, helping them taste and track prey. Snakes are excellent hunters and have highly specialized jaws. Lions are apex predators. As the top predators in their ecosystem, lions play a crucial role in controlling the populations of herbivores and maintaining the balance of the food chain in their habitats. Lions can run at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, but only for short bursts. From the barnyard to the backyard, these unlikely playmates show us how different species coexist, and sometimes even team up. A patient cow might become a resting spot for butterflies, while earthworms aerate the soil that piglets love to root through. Even the smallest insects play important roles,